Well, today, the Indiana Supreme Court's Chief Justice delivered this year's State of the Judiciary Address, which provides an annual update on the courts. During the address, the Chief Justice said the judicial branch will work to expand specialized courts this year and work toward improving mental health care. The address comes just before the high-profile abortion ban case will be heard by the Supreme Court. The law bans abortion at all stages of pregnancy, except in cases of rape and incest, up to 10 weeks. Risk to the mother's health and lethal fetal anomaly. CBS 4's Kristen Eskow breaks what the case could mean for the judiciary.
Indiana Supreme Court Chief Justice Loretta Rush says roughly 2.5 million cases are pending across Indiana's courts. One of those most high-profile cases is set to be heard by the state Supreme Court next week.
Your judiciary is stronger than ever.
Chief Justice Loretta Rush delivers Indiana's annual State of the Judiciary address at the start of a new year for Indiana's courts. Rush didn't discuss any specific cases in her address, but 2023 is starting off with one of the Indiana Supreme Court's most high-profile cases in recent history, a challenge to Indiana's near-total ban on abortion, which was passed last summer by the legislature's Republican supermajority. All 5 state Supreme Court justices who will hear the case were appointed by Republican governors. It was a Republican Owen County judge who put a temporary hold on the law in September. IU law professor Jody Madeira.
I think it's hard to predict how they're going to rule. When you look at how liberty and autonomy evolve, that includes a right to privacy that encompasses a right to abortion.
The case being heard next week alleges a right to privacy violation under the Indiana Constitution. Republican legislative leaders have said they don't expect new abortion legislation to move forward this session. Here's what Senate President Pro Tem Rod Bray told me in November.
We worked super hard on that over the summer and not dying to go back there.
Bray also argued it wouldn't be wise for lawmakers to proceed with any changes to the law before the ruling. State lawmakers remain deeply divided on the issue.
If the Supreme Court does not strike it down, we will continue to oppose the law that's on the books today, a very extreme ban that's not good for women and families.
I'm passionately pro-life, so hopefully we'll move forward and we'll see what the Supreme Court does.
Meanwhile, another preliminary injunction was issued back in December amid a lawsuit alleging the new abortion law violates Indiana's religious freedom law. That remains a separate case from the lawsuit being heard by the state Supreme Court next week. At the State House, Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
Kristen, thank you.